Hey, this is Philip with Roundhouse Digital Marketing, and today we're going to do another AI employee demo. Last time I did a plumber demo, and so there's a video for that. If you want that, let me know. Today we're doing an irrigation specialist. So this is actually a current client. I set it up for their business to showcase it to them. I just had to, on the back end, fill out some custom values with the business information. Took me about 5 minutes. Very, very simple and easy to get. And now we have a 24/7 trained employee working for Irrigators LLC, answering the phones, scheduling appointments, sending information to the owner so that he can decide, what to do with it, and transferring calls if we need to do that. But trained on their business and knows all the answers. And I'm going to give you an example. We're going to call them right now, and let's see how it goes. I'm calling the business now.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hi, you've reached Irrigators LLC. How can I help you?
Yeah, so I have a zone on my sprinkler system that is just not working. I was going to see if someone could come out and check it out.
Got it. We can definitely help with that. Could I start by getting your first name, please?
My first name is Philip.
Thanks, Philip. Could you spell that for me to make sure I got it right?
Yeah, that is Philip.
Great, Philip. Now, could I have your last name, please?
Yeah, it's Ellis, Ellis.
Thank you, Philip Ellis. What's your preferred contact number?
It's just this one that I'm calling from.
All right, I'll note that down. Could you also provide your address, including the city, state, and zip code?
Yeah, my address is 200 Connecticut Street, Austin, Texas, 76570.
Thanks for that. Just to confirm, your address is 200 Connecticut Street, Austin, Texas, 76570. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Perfect. We'll have someone contact you shortly with an estimated time of arrival. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Philip. Thank you for choosing Irrigators LLC. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Okay, so that was an example of just a pretty straightforward call. They're taking a message, they're going to send it to the owner or to whoever gets those messages, and then someone will follow up with them. We also have the ability to schedule on your service calendar if you want to do that. And we also have the ability to text them a link to the service calendar so that they can schedule themselves for a time that works best. And then right after this call happens, like I just got this email, it says your AI employee, and this is what we set up, your AI employee has handled another call from your sub account. Call details are below. Caller's name, Philip. Caller's number has the number. Call duration has the duration. The call summary is basically a summarized version of the call. So it says the user called to report an issue with their sprinkler system. The agent collected the user's contact information and address, confirmed the details, and assured the user that somebody would contact them with an estimated time of arrival. The call ended with a polite goodbye. And then it has the specific details that I collected, that the agent collected, and it has the actual transcript all in this email. So it also sends a text message to let the business owner know it's just a much shorter version, but hey, this person called, this is what they were calling about, here's their number to call them back. So you get 2 points of contact. It will also go into your CRM so that you can text them through our system. But that's a short and sweet demo. I'm going to actually do another one where I ask some more additional questions because I want you to see how well it's trained on your business. So let's do that.
This call will be recorded for quality purposes. Hi, you've reached Irrigators LLC. How can I help you?
Hey, yeah, I'm wondering, do you guys carry Rainbird?
Yes, we do carry Rainbird products. They're known for their long-lasting performance and water efficiency. Are you interested in a specific service or product?
Yeah, so I have a Rainbird system and some of the heads are messed up and I just need someone to come out and replace them.
Got it. We can definitely help with that. Could I get your first name to start setting things up?
Yeah, before I go through that, can you just tell me how much that might cost? Like, how much does a head replacement cost?
Sure thing. Replacing sprinkler heads typically falls within the range of $125 to $400, depending on the specifics. Would you like to book an appointment for this?
Awesome. No, that's very helpful. Can y'all also do like some sort of inspection to my system?
Absolutely. We offer a 20-point sprinkler system inspection, which ranges from $100 to $200. It includes checks on all major components and recommendations for efficiency. Would you like to schedule that?
That sounds great. What else can you tell me about Irrigators LLC?
Irrigators LLC is all about providing top-notch irrigation services from repairs to installations. We use high-quality brands like Rainbird and Hunter for long-lasting performance. Anything specific you'd like to know?
No, that's helpful. Okay, well, I appreciate your time and I'll talk to you later.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for considering Irrigators LLC. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Thanks, bye. Okay, so I asked a couple of more questions and it handled them based on what I trained them with. So, if you wanted to make any changes to what it says, then that would just depend on what we train it with, what information we give them. So that's another example of our AI employee. So if you want more information about any of that, you can check out ai.getroundhouse.com and that'll tell you a lot more. If you want to do a demo with me and I can set this up for your business information just so you can hear it, then let me know. There's a link to schedule your demo on that website. Thanks.